Good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 9. The system responsible for relay and coordination of electrical impulses in the body is A. Skeletal, B. Nervous, C. Endocrine, D. Digestive, and E. Circulatory. Now let's go through the systems to know. Now the skeletal system is the what? Is the body or the bony framework of the body. That's the skeletal system, involving the cartilages, the bone, and so on. Now, this skeletal system helps to provide support for the body. They support the body. Now, not only support, they also help to protect delicate organs in the body. Take, for instance, the rib cage, for example. The rib cage is made up of bones and cartilage, but it helps protect what? It helps protect the heart and the lungs. So that is what the skeletal system. Now, B says the nervous system. Now, the nervous system coordinates actions and sensory information by transmitting signals to and fro from different parts of the body. So they coordinate. The nervous system is responsible for the coordination of actions, all actions that occur in the body, and also sensory informations. Sensory information by transmitting signals. By transmitting signals to and from different parts of the body. So this is the function of the nervous system. It simply means that nervous system transmits electrical impulse. This signal here refers to electrical impulse. Now C says endocrine. The endocrine system now is concerned with what we call hormones. Endocrine system is concerned with what's called hormones. Now the endocrine system also coordinates, just like the nervous system, it coordinates actions, but then endocrine system is concerned with hormones now, not impulses. It carries out its action through hormones, that is chemical substances, not through electrical impulses, which are signals. That's the difference between the nervous and endocrine system. And the endocrine response usually lasts longer and is slow, but that of the nervous lasts for a short time but is very very fast because it was electrical impulse. Now option D is digestive system. Digestive system is a system concerned with concerned with food metabolism. The system concerned with food metabolism, where digestion, or concerned with the intake, digestion, and absorption of nutrients. Now the last but not the least is the circulatory system. Now the circulatory system is like the transport system of the body. Is the transport system of the body, which consists of the heart, it consists of the blood vessels, the veins, the capillaries, and the arteries. Now they're responsible for circulating. That's where the circulatory system comes from. Circulating blood and other substances around the body. Now the question asks us for the system responsible for relay and coordination of electrical impulses, and that is the nervous system, which controls all action and sensory information of the body by coordinating electrical impulses to and from the body. So the answer to this question is option B, nervous system. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.